my channel. Guys, let's go over now to our main reason why we are here. Chicken legs. We shall be doing this chicken legs in the air fryer. Right, I posted a picture of my meal the other day on social media and I got quite some interest. And so I decided to share with you exactly how this chicken leg was done. For ingredients, I've got some chicken legs right in front of me. I shall be marinating this chicken legs with the condiments you see right in front of me. I'll start with Fran's Cuisine chicken roast seasoning. It is amazing. I love it in my chicken dishes. And next to it, I have some white pepper, some powdered garlic, and some seasoning granules. Here I have some peri sauce. You could decide to buy your own peri sauce or you could make yours. And in another video, I'll be showing you just how easy it is to make your own peri sauce. Here I have a bit of mustard, powdered onion, a pinch of salt, and some freshly ground herbs. Basically basil, parsley, and celery. You could use whichever herbs you like. And yep, that's it for our ingredients. And the process, as always, I like to keep it short and sweet, simple. I will score the chicken. I'm going to take off any excess fat and I'm just going to pour in the condiments in front of me, give it a good massage, and then let it marinate for a couple of hours. If you've got more time, you could let it marinate even overnight. I'll start by taking off any excess fat from the chicken and scoring the chicken. And to score the chicken simply means giving some deep cuts or shallow cuts depending on what you're cooking. Yeah, just score the chicken like that. I've given it 3 pretty deep cuts I've got into the bowl. Right, so everything's nicely scored, and the beauty about scoring your chicken is the fact that it helps to tenderize the chicken, which means your chicken will get cooked quicker. And secondly, it really permits the seasoning to get really deep into the cuts. So yeah, I've done that, and I'm now going to pour in my ingredients. So really, you just throw everything in and you give it a good mix. You really want to massage it right well. Now I'll put the peri sauce after. Let me do this one first. But you could put your peri sauce, to be honest with you, it doesn't matter much. Give it a good massage. Get deep into those cuts. We want this seasoning to penetrate right deep into the bones. You know what I'm saying? Right, okay, I'll put in my peri. See why I've worn my gloves? My gloves always have to come out when my hands have to get messy. And now guys, all done. Everything nicely mixed up. And what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to cover it up with some cling film and I will stick it in the fridge for a couple of hours to marinate. And whilst it is marinating, I will dash over to school to pick up the girls Yeah, I'll dash off and pick up the girls. Chicken is ready and time to get it into the air fryer. So it is well marinated. I left it for a few hours. I'm just gonna open the air fryer. Use a spatula. I think this can take about 3 legs. Or maybe 2. They are quite big legs. And a small one. So 3 legs in. I'm just gonna spray a bit of cooking oil. You could, you know, brush the oil as well if you don't have the spray. And then pop it back in. The good thing about the air fryer is the fact that it's got a timer. So right now I will set it for 10 minutes at a temperature of 100 and maybe 100, yeah, 150. Yeah, that's fine. So 10 minutes on one side, and then I'm gonna flip it over, and then another 10 minutes on the other side. And so our time is up, guys, so let's have a look and see. Sneak peek. Oh wow. So there you go. Now this is one side. I left it in for 15 minutes, I must say. Now I'll just flip it over. And then I'll let it cook for another, I'll probably say 10 minutes this time. Yeah? You just want to be sure that the juice comes out nice and clear. That's what it looks like on the other side. So guys, we've come to the end of the journey. We are having our air fried chicken with some fried ripe plantains and some fried green and pressed plantains. Very crunchy, very crispy. Yeah, and we've also got some hot tomato sauce going here. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, and to share the video. Take care, guys. Love you. Bye-bye. See you again. And if you're celebrating Women's Day, have an amazing one. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.